Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. A Dementia Stages Chart is a crucial resource used to depict the various stages of dementia, a complex and progressive neurological disorder. The chart maps the progression of dementia into typically 7 stages, from no cognitive impairment to severe cognitive decline. These stages are meticulously outlined to encompass cognitive symptoms, behavioral changes, and loss of functionality, both for Alzheimer's and vascular dementia. By understanding stage-specific symptoms and needs, caregivers, healthcare professionals, and family members can develop tailored care plans, set realistic expectations, and communicate more effectively with each other. This systematic approach enables them to provide targeted support and treatment, enhancing the quality of life for the person with dementia. Dementia Stages Charts have revolutionized how dementia is managed, bringing coherence and empathy to an otherwise overwhelming journey. Whether it's monitoring daily changes or planning long-term care, this chart is an indispensable guide. To use our Dementia Stages Chart, follow these steps. Download our Dementia Stages Chart from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. The chart divides dementia into stages, from the pre-dementia phase to severe cognitive decline. This helps engaging the progression and predicting future care needs. The 7 stages of dementia chart serve as a roadmap, guiding caregivers and families through the complex journey of dementia. The chart describes specific cognitive, behavioral, and physical signs and symptoms within each stage. This focused insight enables accurate assessment and timely intervention. The Dementia Stages and Symptoms chart is an essential tool for healthcare providers to observe and respond to patient condition changes. Based on the identified stage and symptoms, care plans can be customized to meet the individual's needs and preferences. This involves selecting appropriate therapies, support services, and living arrangements that align with the stage of dementia. The stages of a vascular dementia chart can benefit those with vascular dementia, allowing for specialized care planning. Here is a sample of our Dementia Stages chart, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Dementia Stages charts, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.